It is an honor to serve in your court, gentlemen. Are these things supposed to be this itchy?
Johnny Polly, you have sworn an oath to uphold the tenets of the Car Wash Conservation Act. I now declare it is your duty to oversee all car wash activities in the community. Load the laptop.
The Polywash experience. It's still technically a car wash, but a car wash for your soul.
Essential oils, sensory wash, avocados, sacred spray down.
Forget about your dirty car. We clean what really matters, your inner being. The Polywash experience. Dirty cars, clean souls.